Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to share with you a bunch of websites that I use for design inspirations, UI design inspirations. So first is ogimage.gallery. So this is just for OG images, but the websites on here is usually very good. It's a SaaS sites. It has lots of different collections. If I ever want to make OG image, I'll come here. I'll to get some inspiration. I'll get something very quick. But the websites are also very good. So ogimage.gallery is a good one, and yeah, this is nicely done. So this has bunch of SaaS sites and SaaS sections which I'll use for some UI when I'm developing like websites and applications, web applications. Yeah, so this is good for that. It's nicely done. Club. Next, Gallery, obviously for landing pages. I'll go and check out some of the latest landing pages and I'll work on things. But these all mostly are like very fancy landing pages and they don't convert well, like very fancy animations and landing pages like this. But it's just for inspiration. And next is Logos Club. So this is just a collection of logos, and I'll come here for, of course, logo inspiration. It has like lots of some case studies also, as you can see here, and it has like lots of logos which I can just go and take some inspiration and while I'm designing some logos. So that's that, and yeah, Maxi Best of this is again for landing pages. This has like very good categories and very like lots of sections which you can go in and check, and this collection is usually very good here. So yeah, this is for website design inspiration. And again, the same landing page inspiration is curated design. So this is even more curated, and this has like lots and lots of websites. So this has probably the most websites that I've seen, but it's very good, and I use this most of the time for specific sections and specific inspirations on like certain like agency tech. So anything if you want for something specific, I'll come here. And Landbook, this is just for landing page inspiration. I haven't used this a lot yet because of the previous things that's where I'm at, but yeah, this is also very good. And Doctor Design, this is specifically for dark mode. So when I'm designing for dark mode, I'll come here, give it a glance, and this has like lots of good way to see this animation is good. This color here is also good. Yeah, this has good ways to design in dark mode, so which is nice. And finally, one page love. So this is for specific one page websites. I use this for like creating like a one page app for like a product or something that I'm selling one time, something like that. I'll come over here, find like a one page site, and I'll just create a single page for that. So this is good for like things like that. Very small portfolio, very single product. If I have to sell something, I'll come over here and I'll look at something for inspirations here. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.